Welcome to the Daily Dirt. This is the show where we bring you all the latest buzz, updates, and happenings from the world of slick products. So whether it's news, events, or just stuff we think is fun, we're here to bring you the updates and stay connected. If you're new to slick products, we create awesome cleaners and washes to keep your dirt bikes, ATVs, off-road vehicles, cars, trucks, and more looking clean and shiny. We've been in the business for over 15 years. All of our products are blended, bottled, and shipped right here in the USA. You can check out more at slickproductsusa.com. All right, guys, welcome to episode 2 of the Daily Dirt. We are excited for today's show. We've got a lot to talk about, so let's get into it. Tariffs. What is going on with all these tariffs? Man, without getting into all the politics, what we want to tell you guys is that we are proud to be made in the USA. All of our cleaning products are blended, bottled, and shipped right out of Utah. So what does that mean for you? What that means is that while other brands out there that are freaking out, and a lot of people, you're going to see companies going down, you're going to see people raising prices. We want to tell you guys that we here at Slick Products, we will keep our pricing constant. Nothing will be changing for the foreseeable future. So with spring here, summer's on its way and things are warming up. Let's get out, forget about the noise. Let's have some fun. Shop Slick Products. Shop brands that are made in the USA.
Next up is our affiliate program. So we mentioned this on the last show. We launched the affiliate program. It's off to a great start. Spring is here. Now's the time to post those videos. Everyone loves to get outside. The content is really hot. One of our affiliates is already up to 300,000 views. People love to get outside. Post the content, post your link, get paid. Go to the website to sign up right now. And if you have any questions, reach out.
All right, another cool thing is we are accepting new dealers. If you are interested in stocking any of our products, please go to our website. We have a dealer application form you can quickly fill out. We will get you access that you can just place orders directly on the website, or you can get in contact with our sales rep and they will help you to get your order placed. It's a great program. We offer competitive margins and it's easy to get going. Contact us today for more information.
Now on to 3 amazing products you didn't know we make. All right, first up is the glass cleaner. It's ammonia-free, it smells great, has a nice blue agave scent. It works great too, doesn't leave streaks, it's easy to use. Grab it today.
Another product you might not know we make is our multi-surface interior conditioner. This is one of my favorite products. This product cleans and conditions surfaces. It's great for plastic, vinyl, and even leather in your car. The coolest part is that it will leave the surface feeling soft and supple, but unlike other conditioners, it won't leave that greasy feel after you're using it. Get yours today on the website, slickproductsusa.com.
Next up is our instant detailer. It's a hybrid ceramic. It's a spray on, wipe off application, easy to use. I love it for the same reason I love wash and wax. Spray it on, wipe it off, produces a nice, really deep shine. And if you have the chance, go on our reviews. There's a Corvette on there that shows this off great. It's a mirror finish. It's gorgeous. You can see yourself in it. It's this nice deep shine. That's exactly what you're going for, and it's exactly what you're going to get.
All right, moving on to the next segment. We love this segment because we get to answer customer questions and give you guys some feedback. One of the questions that we got this week, customer asked, what is the difference between the shine and protectant and the exterior dressing? It's a great question. Both of these products do shine surfaces, but one of the biggest differences is the shine and protectant is a high gloss, whereas the exterior dressing is a sheen. They both work on plastic, vinyl, rubber surfaces, and more, on vehicle trim and other things like that. But one of the largest differences is that if you have an off-road vehicle, which this customer had, this is the product you were looking for. So plastics on dirt bikes, ATVs, and other off-road vehicles, you will want to use the shine and protectant, not the exterior dressing. And that is one of the biggest differences between the two.
Okay, here's another great question from one of our customers. They had asked, do you need to wipe down the wash and wax after using it? And the answer is yes. You should wipe it down for the best results. There is wax in here. If there is a light film, it's the wax. You do want to wipe it down because it'll buff the product into the surface and give it that nice shiny look.
Last question from a customer this week was, what is the dilution ratio for the foam cannon? And that is a great question. We get it often, so we want to address it again. The best way is 4 ounces in the cannon. I typically fill up most of it with water, add about 4 ounces. There are some markings on the side to do your measurement. Put in about 4 ounces, swish it around, fill the rest with water, and then adjust the dial and you're good to go. Alternatively, there are some other ways to use this where you can attach the bottle directly onto the top of the foam cannon without using this bottle, or you can add in more solution, back the dial off so that it doesn't pull as much. It's a thicker concentrate. You'll still have a nice thick concentrate come out, but that's another way to do it that retains more product left in here when you're done, and you can come back and use it for the next time. So really good question. Keep them coming. Thank you so much, guys, for staying connected to us. Please keep sending in your questions. We're happy to answer them online or on the next show. So that's a wrap on today's show. Thanks so much for watching. Please stay connected to us as we got a lot of great sales coming up later this spring and summertime. And as always, please like, follow, and subscribe to all of our social channels at Slick Products. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.